You've been told to save money, get a job, maybe invest a little, and someday you'll be financially free. But here's the truth. Financial freedom has less to do with how much you make and more to do with what you know. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our own way. Before we talk about the secret to financial freedom, let us know what you think it is in the comments. The hidden key to financial freedom is financial literacy. Financial literacy means understanding the language of money, how it flows, how it grows, and how to make it work for you, not the other way around. Let's break down the 5 foundations of financial freedom and how financial literacy is the power behind each one. Foundation number 1. Budgeting with purpose. Budgeting isn't about cutting out lattes or never going out. It's about taking control of your money so it doesn't control you. A financially literate person knows the difference between fixed and variable expenses. They also know how to apply the 50-30-20 rule or zero-based budgeting. And they even know how to adjust spending with changing income without panic. When you understand how to allocate your money, you can actually spend more intentionally on things that bring value to your life. Foundation number 2. Managing debt strategically. Debt isn't just a financial issue, it's a psychological burden. But with the right knowledge, it becomes a manageable tool. Financial literacy teaches you how to read the fine print on loans and credit cards. It allows you to know the difference between simple and compound interest. And it can even help you utilize smart strategies like the avalanche versus snowball method for paying down debt. You're not just paying debt, you're playing the system smarter. If you are finding these financial freedom secrets helpful, please let us know by liking the video. This tells us what you want to learn more of. By subscribing to the channel, you will know as soon as there are more helpful videos available. Foundation number 3. Building multiple income streams. Financial freedom doesn't come from a single paycheck. It comes from income resilience. Financial literacy helps you identify and build an active income like your job or business. But financial literacy also teaches you that you need more than just this. You need additional sources like passive income, such as stocks, real estate, and royalties. The more streams you build, the less you rely on any one source, and the faster you escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Foundation number 4. Investing for the long term. Investing is the engine of wealth, but most people avoid it out of fear or confusion. Financial literacy breaks that fear by teaching how compound interest builds wealth over decades. It helps to highlight the importance of index funds, diversification, and risk tolerance. Financial literacy allows you to understand the difference between short-term trading and long-term investing. And it can even teach you how to legally reduce your tax liabilities through superannuation or other deductions. When you're financially literate, investing isn't risky, it's strategic. Foundation number 5. Planning for the future. Financial freedom is the ability to make choices, retire early, travel often, live life your own way. But that future doesn't happen by accident. Financial literacy prepares you by teaching us how to build and maintain an emergency fund. It also teaches us the importance of planning for retirement, healthcare, education, and even estate planning. Financial literacy allows us to know why inflation and taxes matter over the long run. And most importantly, it teaches us how to align your finances with your life goals, not just your bills. Freedom comes when the future feels secure, not uncertain. At the end of the day, money isn't the goal, freedom is. And that freedom isn't given. It's earned through understanding. Because once you become financially literate, you stop working for money and make it start working for you. There are many important habits that contribute towards financial freedom. Check out this video to learn more about some of those habits.